Thank you for visiting us and giving us the opportunity to express our views on this. Firstly, I would like to tell you that why we are in IAA. We are exhibiting since last. This is our second participation in this. Uh, what we feel that IIA provides us the platform to showcase our capability, our products, and it is a platform where we can have a direct interaction with our potential OEMs and tier one also, which are main global players. So being in India, we could not have a direct interaction with them. So here we get that opportunity to express our strength, which I feel that makes a difference. Okay, it is not a very fast process, it is a slow process, but gradually it makes an impact. And this difference we felt in our first exhibition itself. Though the turn rate is not that much, but we could find that we got the recognition, people used to know our name, and then that slowly already Foundry is having a business development in Foundry is very slow process, and gradually it takes time. We have to keep a lot of patience on that. So definitely II is a very good platform, and for Indian suppliers it is having a huge impact. As a Shivalik, we have a strength of in axle parts in commercial vehicle, and so our main product what we are showcasing them is brake drum, wheel hubs, carriers, and brackets. So that way it is going on. You see, the Indian foundry industry, what uh, journey of Indian foundry industry is very interesting. Nowadays, earlier there is a one perception of Indian foundries that they are very not very quality oriented and very conventional, not very innovative. So now that has been transformed drastically from last, I would say, 7 8 years, or 10, about a decade you can say. Now Indian companies, Indian foundries are equivalent to any foundry in international foundries, where you can find high pressure molding lines with lot of automations and quality conscious. And definitely the advantage what Indian foundry is having is cost advantage, competitive to, you can say, European foundries, Turkish foundries, and all this. Definitely, as you told, quality is by default is required. Commitment in part of means the development time what we give them, the delivery what we give them, and one mutual trust relationship which gives the comfortable between both buyer and supplier. So that is more important. Shivalik as a group, at present we are having around all major OEMs from, we are in majorly from commercial vehicle segment, farm segment, and railways, and little bit of waterworks. So at present we are having all our domestic customers in or domestic OEMs in our portfolio, customer portfolio. And at present we are around 90% of is in domestic, 10 to 12% is in export. So we feel that we are targeting that our export business we want to take it up to 25%, because domestic we are having some cyclic parameter of business in both CV and farm. So in having a one pie of export business give us more sustainable business model, which is required to have a good business model. Yeah. Export majorly at present we are present in North America, doing to our this tier 1 OEMs are there, and we are targeting into European market. That is our target. Compared to last year, this financial year, as you told, yeah, first 2 quarter was little low, but we are expecting last 2 quarter of commercial vehicle will be good. Though tractor is doing good at present, it is a good monsoon and everything. So that is overall we have targeted for a growth of around 10 to 12%. But as of now, we see that it will come up to 6 to 8%. Yeah, Shivalik, we are targeting not only growth, we want to have a sustainable growth. In that direction, we are working it, and already we are for sustainability. We have started working for our solar power, and we are targeting that our 60% of our current grid energy what we are taking will be converted into renewable energy. And this we have mapped it by end of 2025. We are able to come up with our 50 megawatt solar power plant, because as both domestic and global, sustainability has become a main criteria, and we as a Shivalik, as a responsible entrepreneur, we want to have that sustainable growth. So we are working in that direction. Secondly, we are at present we are having a capacity of 90,000 tons per annum foundry capacity, which we are further increasing by around 1500 tons per month, coming up with a new flaskless line. That also timeline we have set around 2025. So with that flaskless line, we are targeting for low weight parts. At present, we are having a big box size of 10,000 by 700 by 325. So with that box size, we used to have limitation of bunch weight and casting weight. So with having the small box flaskless line, we will be one stop solution for all the parts to all our customers.